with festival around the corner, I think overall the demand should be very bullish, and this spike in demand has come not from now, but over the last 12 to 18 months since the first wave of the pandemic hit us. A lot of things have changed, I would say, and the shift has been very positive. When I say the shift primarily has come from the fact that now everything is from home, be it entertainment, be it learning, be it working, everything is from home. So a lot of things have changed. So what is happening is, let's take different categories. If I were to look at, for example, if I were to look at TV and audio, because it's all entertainment from home, with the cinema theaters kind of most of them still being shut, and not too many movie releases coming out on the theater. So entertainment has become a big need for every household, and I think anybody and everybody is looking for bigger screens, better screens, and a good audio system to match it. So that's helped us in our TV and audio business. And I think one more very important thing that has changed is the way people, or the contents that the people are watching. There's been a huge surge in the OTT content that's available right now, because of which the need for products which are kind of not only smart, at the same time very good in terms of being able to adapt to the high content that is being kind of streamed down. So that's become very important. So this has helped us as far as our TV and audio business is concerned. Not only that, we are also seeing a big demand coming from the due to the learn from home. So for example, the headphones has become probably an integral part of every household right now, and probably you have 3 or 4 people in the household wearing headphones and kind of having their classes or working from home. So that's become very important in day-to-day life. So that's another thing which has helped us kind of cater to some big demand coming from that particular category of products. Not only that, a lot of vlogging and live streaming also people have kind of got into. So even our camera business kind of has taken off from this. So to summarize, I think the pandemic has given a boost to every aspect of business that we deal in. So that's been very good. And yeah, to kind of, if I were to see whether this demand has been pent up, yeah, probably it was really pent up when the first pandemic came, but now, as I said, it's become a norm. So the pent up demand has kind of already crossed that stage. So now what's happening is very organic. So it's the organic demand that's driving the market, and I see no reason why this festival should not kind of do very well. Typically, India is a very sentiment-driven country, and when it comes to festival, definitely there's been a big boom that comes when it for all the product categories, and I see a lot of positivity from that side. And to make things better, we at Sony, we have tried also to ensure that we kind of minimize the pain of buying. We have made things very we have made things very easy for customer to own Sony products, be it the largest screen of products or be it a camera. So easy financing offers, cashback offers. So this makes it very more interesting for them to buy up big ticket items, and at a very less painful way. It's kind of that's what we're looking at. So once again, in categories, we expect all our categories to kind of boom very well, with TV driving the show. But at the same time, we see some great demand for audio as well as for our camera products also. So we are seeing a fabulous traction as we speak from April till now. Also, April till September. Also, we are seeing a very fabulous traction when it comes to growth numbers. And we hope and pray this continues this festival season also. And hoping and praying that we have enough products to cater to every demand that comes up. To be very honest, maybe not so much, for the simple reason that it's now becoming habit now. So whatever said and done, I'm just sitting at home enjoying the best of contents with an experience which is as good as the theater. It's going to take some time for people to kind of come back to full normal, kind of going to the cinema theaters in hordes with the families. It might take some more time. I don't see it to be kind of coming down in the near future. But yeah, as you rightly said, it can happen sometime. But I think as we speak, I don't see that coming immediately.